Hey, this is Brian. On a trip to Japan, Sara and I got to stay at the Hotel Monterey Grasmere Osaka. Come along as we give you a tour of the hotel and our room on the 25th floor. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. The Hotel Monterey is right by the Namba station. Make sure you come out of exit 1A. The hotel is next door in a high-rise building. The hotel takes up floors 22 through 31. After entering the building, take a left through the automatic doors and around the corner to the elevators. Go up to floor 22 for the hotel lobby. The lobby's pretty nice with some seating areas and a concierge if you need to make reservations or advice on local eateries or attractions. After checking in, take another set of elevators up to your floor. We were on the 25th. On each floor of guest rooms, they have these security doors where you have to scan your hotel key. Your room opens with the same key. Let's go inside and I'll give you a tour. Coming in the front door, we had our luggage delivered from Tokyo, and they already had that in our room for us, so that was nice. You definitely have to put the card key in to turn the lights on. They have these that you put on the outside of the door depending on what you want. Do not disturb. Please make up the room. Change towels and amenities only. And those are magnetic because it's a steel door. It's a pretty small room. Bathroom's on the right. I'll show you that in a little while. What is this? No idea. I'll have to get Sara to look at it because it's in Japanese. Dehumidifier? Air conditioner? Not sure. You do have a TV right in front of the bed. If you turn this way, they have the air conditioning. It's in Celsius, so you might have to do a little conversion in your head. The bed. Where's the bed? So it has about 4 pillows. It's a double. And these were actually in the closet. I got them out. They give you slippers that you can put these on and wear them around the room. Ooh, pajamas. Look at that. Fancy schmancy. Got some stuff telling you about not cleaning the room or not changing your towels. Decorations, pretty neat. Oop, there's our donuts that we got. We'll show you those later. Nice little seating area if you want to do stuff at the desk. That's a pretty good size. Down here, there is a electric kettle and tea. Got that. Desk, laundry bag, stuff for getting your laundry. About their restaurants here. They have a hair dryer, nice Panasonic hair dryer. Instructions on your remote. Couple of bottles of complimentary water. And then there's a seating area over here, which we've got covered up with our junk, of course. And then our view. Wow. Pretty nice view. And this is the view of Osaka. From our room. Pretty nice view. So looking back from the window, there's the desk, the bed, TV. And closet. Plenty of room. Set for your dirty clothes. You have room for hanging stuff. A shoe brush, a shoe polisher. What's this? Interesting. And the bathroom, not huge. Nice toilet. All your amenities. There's a phone in the bathroom. That's weird.
You can't talk to me while you're pooping.
Right. And then tub. This thing, you turn this for hot, for cold, and this for pressure or off. We're good.